there's this moment in time where people will get very upset with the market. And they will say, oh man, they just came and they just took me out. They just wicked me. They're so rude. They are, but maybe not rude in the way you think they are. Market maker finds liquidity the same way this fisherman finds fish, right? They don't find liquidity by just like banging down through levels. They don't know where they are, right? We've gotten smarter with the order book. So buyers will wait off the book, right? You're not on the book waiting to buy. You're waiting for it to make a bottom, and then you're going to hit it with a market order. Right? So how do they know where we are? Well, the first thing off you need to understand is it's not about us, right? One of the things that I think this fun little graphic shows is you can see do you think the fisherman that's up there on the boat with his line in the water, do you think he's after the small silver fish, or do you think he's after the big multicolored fish? Which one do you think they're after? You think they're after the big fish, or do you think they're after the small fish? They're after the big fish. What are the big fish after? The big fish are after the little fish, right? Who's the little fish? We are, right? We are, right? So what happens here is the specialist will use testing, right? They'll test the price by pushing it down. When it pushes down, they get bites, pop, 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 right? When they feel the buying, when the algorithm gets hit with the buying, it will pull the price back up to see if buying will continue to buy, right? You go down because you're looking for sellers, right? And then when you come back up, you're looking for buyers, right? So when they come down and they entice us to start buying, that pushes the price back up, which puts us into a range where bigger buyers will start buying, which will start also stopping out the other big buyer, which are short sellers that are getting stopped out. Now, I'm going to show you first example of a visual order book here. This is actually an old screenshot. This is an exact moment of that. You can actually see where they're moving down. You can see they sold through this order. They then absorbed. They moved lower. And then as they bought and pulled up, you can see this order literally went thunk and split. Right? So then as soon as that happens, the price immediately starts running away. Right? That's because it's literally the algorithm. Oh, no one there. Oh, sorry. Right? It's what it does. The algorithm is not it's not human, right? It doesn't have eyes, it doesn't have ears, but it does have tactile touch. It can sense pressure. You know what I mean? It has volume. You know what I mean? It knows that when it goes into a certain area, if it gets a certain kind of response, it knows what to do with that, right? That's what the programming has, right? So when you're getting in here and you're looking at this process, you need to understand that this algorithm was designed to entice. Why? That's how they make money.
Hello, market alchemists, and thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to watch the next episode, and before doing so, like and subscribe.